Well, hey family, long time no see. Has been a couple of days. I've been working on some different projects that are not jewelry related. So I had to get pulled away for a little bit. But I am working on earrings for Faire.com, and I am trying a new strategy as it relates to the product that I am going to or am placing on Faire. So I got a little strategy in mind that I am implementing to see how that works out. And if it works out like I think it's going to work out, I'm going to just keep going along, that way as it relates to product. So these are some of the earrings that I am working on. The little howlet turquoise, the glass bead with the wood bead, and a little natural stone. I'm going to do these in a lot of different colors, these right here. And they won't be so different colors in a case. I'm going to make these 6 units to a case, and they will all be one color, like what you see right here. So if it's purple, it'll be 6 purple. If it's fuchsia, it'll be 6 fuchsia. And then I have like yellow, green, all these different colors right here. So these beads are going to end up looking like these type of earrings right here. And then it'll just be one color in the case, 6 units and one color. So I'm not going to put like multicolors in the cases. And I figure I would try it out that way. That would make a lot more sense. But anyway, this is what I'm working on. Hoping everybody is doing well. Thanks to all the new subscribers and hanging out and your comments and joining the Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone over on Facebook. If you haven't joined us over there, boogie on over. Ask to join, and we'll go ahead and let you in. And feel free to comment, to share your images of your collections, and if you have any ideas you want to share with the group, by all means do so. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, because I have noticed that a lot of people that watch the videos are not subscribers. So if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss the videos every time I upload them, because we do have a lot of good stuff coming up, contests, and then I'm working on it's like a type of grab bag type situation, but I'll come with more information for that. And then I'm also, if anybody is interested, I want to come back with the celebrity, the collaboration, where we'll put together some of our designs and we will mail them to a particular female celebrity. And if you want to be a part of that, go over to the Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone. Be sure to join the group, and then that way you can stay on top of updates and what's coming up. And then I have some other things I'm working on too, like for the group, so we can, just make some things happen if you're interested. And if you're not, that's okay. And if you make jewelry just because you like making jewelry and that is your perfect place of peace, we respect and appreciate you for that. No worries at all. And again, thank you for being a part of the Jewelry by BDK Creator Zone. And guess what? We'll talk soon.